In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer on your phone for iOS and Android, no jailbreak, guys. So it gives you a joystick where you can walk around Pokemon World from your house. You get a bar on the right side of the screen, shows you all the nearby Pokemon. You get a joystick, it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it, but as you can see, I can walk around the Pokemon World. I mean, I got so many settings in here, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, we have all these settings, which is really cool. So let's get right into the tutorial now. And I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So the first step is going to be going to this website, tweakgpt.com. So let me just type that in right here. So anyway, once you're on this site, just go to the search bar where it says enter a prompt. And literally, guys, just type in Pokemon. And as you can see, it should come up. And yep, we're going for Pokemon Go Spoofer, obviously. So press on that one. And then it's going to say, need Pokemon Go Spoofer. Here's how I get it. Go to Zoo Mods. So now we're on Zoo Mods. So we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to type in Pokemon Go Spoofer. So unfortunately, the site won't load. I'll pause the video and resume if needed. But let's wait for it to load here. And then we'll have a Pokemon Go Spoofer on our phone. Yay, it's so slow, guys. What the heck? Alright. Yeah, I'll pause it and resume. Alright guys, so I got the website to work, so now we're going to go to the search bar and just type in Pokemon and go for the one at the bottom. It says Pokemon Go Spoofer, and now you download it and you're good to go. So I'll see you guys later. Everybody guys subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Totally works. So yeah, if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, I'm not really someone that gets into Pokemon Go too much because I'm poor and I can't drive all that way and pay the gas, but now I can like walk around Pokemon World from my house. I got all these settings, so it's super awesome, guys. So be sure to try it out. And yeah, all you gotta do is go to that Zoo Mod site. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane, and it totally works.